Hey there, I'm Luna. Welcome back to English Station, your space for real practical English that you can use every single day. I'm super glad you decided to join me today because I've got something really valuable for you. Today, we're talking about something that can truly change the way you speak English forever. And no, it's not more grammar rules or long vocabulary lists. It's something much more powerful: training your brain to think in English. Whether you're just starting to learn English, struggling to hold conversations, or trying to sound more natural when you speak, training your brain to think in English can completely change the game. Let me ask you, have you ever found yourself in a situation where someone asks you a simple question in English and your mind just goes blank? Not because you don't know the words, but because you're too busy trying to translate everything in your head from your native language into English? Yeah, that happens to almost everyone at some point. And the solution isn't more studying. It's rewiring the way you think. You see, fluency isn't just about knowing English. It's about thinking in English. When you train your brain to do that, you stop hesitating. You stop translating. And you start speaking more naturally, more smoothly, and with more confidence. So how do we do that? All right. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our English learning lessons. Now grab a notebook, or just relax and listen, and let's get into it. Let's begin with something very simple. Start by using English for your everyday thoughts. For example, when you wake up in the morning, try to say to yourself in English, "Okay, I need to brush my teeth." Or, "I'm so tired today." These are short, simple sentences, but they're powerful because you're not studying anymore. You're living in English. Even just narrating what you do can have a huge impact. As you go through your day, continue this habit. Instead of thinking, "I need to eat lunch," in your first language, switch that thought to English. "Time for lunch." Or, "What should I eat today?" These are thoughts you have every day. Use them to your advantage. The goal is to get your brain used to processing English first, not second. One of my favorite techniques is to label things around you. Take sticky notes and write the names of objects in English. Put them on your mirror, your fridge, your laptop. When you see the word every day, it becomes automatic. And don't just read it. Say it out loud. For example, "This is my mirror." "I'm opening the fridge." "I'm charging my phone." These tiny moments create strong connections in your brain. Now, here's something that might sound strange, but really works. Talk to yourself in English. I mean it. Whether it's out loud or in your head, start having little conversations with yourself. You might say, "I need to clean my room," or "I think I'll go for a walk." If you're planning your day, do it in English. "I have a meeting at 10. Then I'll go to the store." Don't worry if you make mistakes. This is for you. It's like giving your brain a workout in English. Another powerful strategy is to stop translating and start visualizing. When you hear the word apple, don't think of the word in your language. Just picture an apple in your mind. Red, shiny, sweet. That way, your brain connects English directly with meaning, not translation. It's faster, more natural, and helps you respond quicker when speaking. And here's the fun part. You don't have to do this all on your own. Surround yourself with English. Watch YouTube videos. Listen to podcasts. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is learning. The rhythm, the tone, the speed. It's soaking up real English. Over time, it starts to sound normal. not foreign. If you want to go even deeper, try doing your internal dialogues in English. You know those little conversations in your head? Like, should I go out? Or what should I wear? Do those in English. Or when something annoys you, say it to yourself in English. This traffic is terrible. These are natural emotional reactions, and when you express them in English, they stick. Another great technique is to narrate your tasks in English. Imagine you're cooking. Say what you're doing. I'm cutting onions. Now I'm boiling water. This sauce smells great. Or while cleaning, let's fold these clothes. Time to vacuum the floor. It may sound silly, but it builds confidence. You're practicing without even realizing it. Now, let's talk about phrase banks. These are short, useful expressions that you can use all the time. Think of phrases like, I'm not sure, or that sounds good, or what do you think? Practice using them in different situations in your mind. The more familiar these become, the easier it is for you to pull them out during real conversations. They become second nature. And finally, let me introduce you to a technique that can really speed up your fluency. Shadowing. This means listening to native English speakers and repeating what they say at the same time. Like a shadow. Find a short video or podcast. Play a sentence and repeat it right away. Try to match the tone, speed, and rhythm. It's challenging at first, but it's one of the best ways to improve your listening and speaking skills together. If you keep doing this, even just for 5 or 10 minutes a day, you'll notice a huge change. Your ears will get used to the sounds of English. Your mouth will move more fluently, and your brain will stop hesitating. Remember, training your brain to think in English doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen if you're consistent. Start small. Narrate your day, label your world, talk to yourself. And slowly, English won't feel like something you're learning anymore. It'll feel like a part of who you are. So if you're serious about becoming fluent, don't just study English. Live in English. Think in it. Dream in it. Talk to yourself in it. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice every day. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to English Station for more practical lessons just like this one. And remember, fluency isn't about knowing everything. It's about thinking differently. So keep going. You're doing better than you think. Until next time, keep learning, keep thinking, and keep speaking English every day.